Hey YouTube, it's your boy Too Slow Kurt, and right now I'm going to be showing you guys what a C7 Corvette Z51 Stingray sounds like with a secondary cat delete and a muffler delete. Alright, so here's the cold start. Sounds so good. It sounds really mean too. It's actually louder than it was whenever I had just the muffler delete. So if you guys watched the last video, I just got the muffler delete like a month ago, I say, or like 2 months ago. I had got the muffler delete, and just yesterday I just got my secondary cats deleted, and man, does it sound beautiful? Yes, sounds amazing. So right now I gotta go to work, and I'm gonna let you guys hear this bad boy as I drive to work. And this thing sounds so much better than it did whenever I first only had the muffler delete. And that was the secondary cats that I just got cut off. So if I would have cut off the primary cats, then man, I already know this thing would have been crazy loud. I actually thought I was getting the primary cats cut off, but whenever the guy finished, it was like the secondary cats, and they were so much smaller. And I kind of like was curious, but I didn't know what the cats looked like on the Corvette, and I didn't know how big they were. So I just rolled with it. But this is perfectly fine. I plan on getting some long tube headers, so those will eliminate the primary cats. So it's fine. If you guys are looking to make your car sound crazy, yeah, you can just go with the secondary cat delete and the muffler delete, and then if you want to get those primaries cut off, then that's solely up to you. But I would rather go with making it louder and getting more horsepower, and just going ahead and getting those long tube headers to knock it out, and then boom, you got 2-in-1. Z51s come with 460 horsepower already, so adding those long tube headers, you might get like 15 to 30 horsepower additional, And yes, I know I need gas, but it's fine. I'm getting gas today, so don't be looking at my gas, alright? Yeah, man. With just a muffler delete, you can be driving, and you can be barely giving it some gas, and you won't really hear it like that. But with this secondary cat delete, man, like, you can definitely hear it. And I'm barely even going, not even past 2 RPMs. So it definitely has some sound to it. Look at my boss right there. Watch this guy right here. This is my boss right here. His ass trying to speed up. Yeah, man. But you guys hear it, man. Like I always say in all my videos, sometimes the videos don't do a lot of justice. But lately, whenever I record videos, you're able to hear the sound of the vehicle pretty good. Of course, it's not gonna sound like it will in person, but it's been sounding pretty good. So I'm satisfied with how the videos have been coming out as far as the sound, and I can't really complain too much, But yeah, man, this is the secondary and the muffler delete, the secondary cats and the muffler delete alone. So if you guys are looking for some good noise, doing the secondary cats and the muffler delete alone will be perfect for a person who isn't trying to make too much commotion. Now, if you're a commotion type of person, then you might as well fully straight pipe the car and call it a day, and make your neighbors mad and just laugh at them. But yeah, this is the end of this video. Like I said before, like, subscribe, stay tuned for more, because this isn't the only video that I'm gonna be making. This is actually like the second video I'm gonna upload today alone. So lock in with your boy, like, subscribe, and stay tuned.